Today I'm doing a walk around. This is my 1958 Taylor-Dunn Trident, kind of a art piece. It is correct. A lot of the nuts and bolts have been correctly placed on the vehicle. It has the right moldings. It has a distressed paint job, which shows 65 plus years of all of the different times that it was painted in its lifetime. And I've added a few little extras to it. It just got a brand new windshield, and this is what it looks like on the outside. It has the correct rear window, original window moldings, the original door on the rear of it, original Do-Ray taillights, bumpers, and now for the interior. It is very cool on the inside. I don't know if you can see with the glare, but it has a distressed look to it. It has a chargicator from 1958 that kind of matches the look of the car, and a reproduction VinTag. It's licensed in the state of California, which is pretty amazing. And it even has drink holders and a martini cup and Hawaiian dancer on the back. It's powered by a split seat. It has about a 4.5 horsepower motor and Lion Energy lithium batteries, and all of the electronics have been upgraded. There's a controller in the very back, so it thinks it's a brand new golf cart, but it isn't. It'll do about 20 miles an hour under the current configuration. If I add a couple batteries to it, it would be absolutely scary. The interior kind of matches the rest of the car. The door panel armrests don't exactly match, but I couldn't find the original material that's in the back. And that completes my walkthrough. It's got pedals. There's the turn signal and horn, and it's not lever driven, it's pedal driven. And I hope you enjoyed the video.